Another day, another healthy mukbang. And for today's mukbang, we have persimmon. So, pumunta pa talaga kami sa Sprouts yesterday para hanapin ito kasi I saw someone eating persimmons and I also want to try it. And it's my first time eating this one as well. So, I'm really, really excited. And based on my research, kinakain lang siya ng ganito na parang pear or apple. And hindi ko pa siya nakita back in the Philippines. I'm not so sure if this is available or if it is. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be really expensive. So, today, let's try it. Ito yung kanyang forma. And then, it's like yellowish orange. And then, may nakita akong iba na they look very orange na parang tomato. But this one, I think this is a different variety. And then, medyo hard siya. But we'll see. We'll see how it tastes like. I'm excited. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Crunchy cha. It's crunchy. It tastes like apple. Para sa akin, para siyang apple. And kaimito. But, hindi as sweet as apple. Hindi siya sobrang matamis na katulad ng apple. But in fairness, masarap siya. And then, it's crunchy din. And then, parang may seed ata siya. Wait. In fairness, masarap siya. I like it kasi hindi siya so sweet.